Wow, I missed entirely.
This was the second race in our night of NASCAR Super Speedway / figure eight racing. If you haven't seen that first video that I uploaded, make sure you go check that out because it was a blast. But I'll tell you what, this race has me fully convinced that this is a top tier racing format / track layout that we have ever done at this place. This race has everything. It's so fun. I just had a blast the entire time this race was happening, all the way to the end. You're not going to regret watching this whole race. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Every little bit of support helps. I greatly appreciate it. But, you know, do whatever you want. Have a good one.
All right, we're back for another crazy super speedway / figure eight race. I'm so excited. The first one was so fun. This is the best super speedway layout we've ever done, for sure. Wow! Ah! 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 Sorry, bud. Sorry, I didn't pin you out. We're all good. We're all good. I couldn't go anywhere. I was getting hit from all angles. We all survived, though. So like before, we have another leader section. They did add cones to make it, I guess, a little more clear as to how people are supposed to drive in this figure eight. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. It is a wild time. Get in there, bud. Get in there, bud. Get in there. We gotta take this inside. We gotta take this inside. Oh no, I lost it. Okay, I think I lost it. Maybe. Maybe I can squeeze in. Maybe I can squeeze in. Let's squeeze in. Squeeze in, bud. Go. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Ah. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Made up some places. Let's go. Let's keep going. Oh, too far away. And it's not gonna matter, but I was definitely too far away. Okay. Ah! I was trying to pay attention to who was behind me. Whoa! Oh, I had a run on you there, bud. Oh no! Ah, I'm going! Casualties! That's why figure eight racing rules. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I'm so wide. Oh no. Yeah, you got me, bud. You got me. I'm so wide. You went wide there. Yeah, you got the space. Okay. Ow! I keep, like, looking to see if there's someone in my blind spot. I keep hitting the dang wall. Oh, I'm not doing this well at all. This... Ow! This is the best racing format on planet Earth. There's nothing better. There is no better racing format than this right here. Ow! I hit that really good. Get in there. Good. We threaded the needle. Good job. We gotta survive one more. Ah! Get in there, bud. Get in there. Woo, what a race.